So today I am here in Fremont, California at Niles District. It's a historic part of Fremont, California, here in the East Bay, in the San Francisco Bay Area. And I thought I'd just try this damn camera out and see if I already know the sound probably sucks, but we'll give it a shot. Anyhow, like I said, I'm here in Fremont in the East Bay, and we're just looking around. Just a little bit of quick trivia about Niles. This is actually where Charlie Chaplain did a lot of his movies. So hopefully you'll see a lot of kind of a lot of statues and plaques and such, about Charlie Chaplain. So check it out and see what's going on. See if the bikers are still around. And there's also a store I want to check out. It's been there since I was a teenager, and it's called Devil's Workshop. Sorry, I just got off the scooter over there and I'm a little tired. So anyhow, we're going to explore here in the park. This is San Leandro Creek right here, not a part of San Leandro. Like I said, we're in Fremont, and it runs all the way down here to the bay, right beyond there, and that's it. So let's go explore, see what's happening. There's an open house today. They say these blue lens ones right up here, they're more valuable than the red lens. Is that true?
Oh, I don't know about those, but you can go to a lot of places. There's a guy up in Sacramento that collected everything. He passed away this year, and so they've been now selling the stuff off, and everything's all like pristine. Just a huge.
I knew a guy that was into big time railroad. Oh, look at this! This is really neat right here.
Huge collection of stuff.
Oh, that's really cool. Telegraph machines. There you go. Wow.
Fortunately for us, we don't have a lot of real estate to put a lot of stuff up that we have. It's all warehouse.
Yeah. Look at this. Disneyland?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the railroad that goes around it? I see.
There's a couple of companies that made various things under licenses and stuff. I think it was this one guy that made all kinds of various kind of layouts themed on a lot of stuff like that. But this is like a modular puzzle piece thing. It's actually got sections that's all built up like a puzzle.
Wow, that's really cool. Huh. Oh, God rest my father's soul. If he was still alive, he would have loved this place. I don't know how many times we've passed it.
Really great museums out here. We're pretty small for what we got here, but there's a couple that are really well restored and have a lot of artifacts. We got the space to put them up in. And
yeah.
we've only been popped over here for like 6 years. So. Fixed up.
That's pretty neat. How about that? Block.